Hi everyone. Okay, so now I'm going to make this little guy a Hulk onesie. I just made him this little quick little boxer shorts because I didn't like him lying here bare bum. Um, so yeah, I'm obviously going to need green, any like t-shirt material, something stretchy green for the Hulk body. And then I'm going to use this purple for, well, Hulk's pants that I'm going to put over the onesie. You will see how I do that. And I'm going to use this as like a fleece, fluffy material fleecy. And I'm going to use for the hoodie part, obviously for Hulk's black hair. So yeah, and then that's materials, and then just a little piece of cardboard just for the a pattern for the sole of the little boy, just to make, well, I'm obviously going to make the sole also out of the black fleece, but just for a pattern for the size for that. And then this little it's like a um, elastic rope I'm going to use for in the hoodie, and then this velcro that I used for the hoodie and the jeans. That's from a cell phone charger or laptop charger or something. I'll use this thin little velcro that for that. And then I'm going to attempt using this, see if it's going to work. It's the first time I use something like this. It's a fabric adhesive, so because I'm thinking of maybe for the velcro part and that, I'm going to try and use this today. So yeah, let's see if this is going to work. So yeah, and then like always, I'm using most this paper towel for the pattern. You can use normal paper if you want, or even cardboard if you want, but I like using this paper towel because it's soft and it folds easily. So yeah, then let's get started. Because I'm going to fold the paper over just a little bit, about 1 centimeter or less, just so it can be, and then turn the paper over, and I'm going to put a boy on the paper, a little bit off center, and then so open his legs as wide as you can again, and look where his soldier mark, and in between the legs, not too close, because it's also onesie. Onesie is loose fitting. Nice. So then just his arm, underneath his arm, just know where that is, his arm goes, and then that just straight down his body, a little bit bigger for the loose fitting, and then down the other side of his leg as well. And then just for the length underneath his foot, so you can know how long you must make this. For the arms here, I'm just going to use the same sleeve that I'm using for the hoodie and the jersey and the sweater top. I'm just going to put it in here by the soldier seam and just see how much I must take that in. Just going to have the same shape as for the just straight, and then the leg here, so just straight, and I'm gonna take it a bit in, taper it a bit in, and then this is for the foot. So this is now for the back side. So on the same pattern, then I'm just going to let him stand up straight, but so that his heel is by the end of the leg, just for the foot, because I'm going to put feet on the onesie just to see how long that. Okay, so and I think there is the pattern. So yeah, then you just need to cut it out. Okay, so then you just fold it open and just cut that little piece from the back side just straight off, and you can make it, I think I'm going to make it a bit smaller. I think it's too big. Okay, so now this is pattern. So they And there you go. I think this little Hulk onesie looks actually quite cute. I wasn't sure if this was going to work, but actually that even on the front side of the onesie, he's got even a little pocket where you can put his hand in. So yeah, it actually came out quite cute. Even the feet is cute and a little hoodie. So yeah, um, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I know I'm going to, because I like this very much. I think it's quite cute. And then I think the only thing that's left making for this little boy, then he's got enough clothes for the winter, is also just pajamas. So in the next video, I'm going to make him some pajamas. I hope you enjoy this video. Bye.